grills here, radiators here. We can maybe put side steps here, cradles here, bonnets here, fenders here, fender liners there, bumpers that side. So I want you to split your team up diligently, know who to put where. You have enough hands to have 3 teams here.
Okay, gents. So the time the container should be arriving is not too far from now. We're going to finish up what we're doing, the cleaning up of this last 2 suspensions, sorting out what we need for this M5. Basically, when we're offloading, you already know how we offload. Everybody knows how we offload. You'll be guided as to which parts need to go where. From there, we're splitting into the counting teams. So they want us to be efficient and try to push to see how quick we can do things and how we can get things done. Mike and Witty, the fenders is going to be in this area. And as soon as you're done with the fenders, together, you're going to move over into the bumpers because obviously you're the most experienced. Bonnets is bigger. We're going to check how we check for the defects and everything. You already have the experience there. So we're going to take advantage of that and we're going to make sure we get the bonnets right. Once we finish with the counts and things from outside, then I think we'll get Privy to come through, double check, make sure everything is right. We do our labels, then we'll see what help they need there. We're going to leave that side to you and Sims because those are the high value things. The headlights, the tail lights, all those small little radiators and you know, the important things. You'll know how to check those things. You'll know what you're looking for. So from there, we'll carry on. We get this thing done. You can hear there's quite a bit of pressure. They want the counts done by 3. So for us, when we split into those teams, it's important to focus and get the count, not just done, get it done right. That's the way forward. All right, let's just carry on preparing. Apparently it shouldn't be too long. They just said about 8:30, 9:30. So as you can see, there's some things that we just finished up working with and stripping. The guys are just cleaning up the area. We want to make sure everything is clear, spotless, just so it makes it easier for offloading, laying out, counting, checking for condition. We're trying to get as much space as possible to get the right job done as quick as possible. They just get it. So we need to give you the mic there. Right now, it's about that time.
What's the record to break?
I think one and a half, maybe about an hour, some change. So we're pushing for like an hour. Container flat, count starting. So as you can see, witness first broke the seal. From there, he opens the doors slowly. Sometimes our things get packed so full, you know, as you open the door, something could be falling out. And then from there, you slowly clear the rear. Couple of clothes and things that's already moved in. Start loading up the bumpers on the pallet so we can take it that side, start organizing. And then once he's cleared this first bits of the container, there's another guy that can join him on top. Then we can get maybe another 2 guys in the bottom and then the rest of everyone on top here. And then we get like this flow going where start beating it. You go there? Just pull the next one from there. Nah, don't stress.
But top bumper is on your forklift.
Too much.
Good.
Yeah.
Good and blessed.
Feeling 100. As you can see, we're sweating, Baba. Moving.
We're sweating and we're moving, Baba.
We're moving. I feel like I can already almost see the back from the top. Almost there. come down, have a look at that top corner right there. See what I'm talking about. Hello. There's daylight. For sure.
Cheers. The time is 12 o'clock
Yeah,
and we're done.
yeah. I think that's averaging out our normal time, about an hour and a half. So now what we'll do is we'll try and sort our stock out into the respective part numbers. So basically all the fender liners, this was for this vehicle, front, left, right, rear, so on and so forth. Just to get everything in order before we do the counts. Then we'll have a little bit of lunch as well and then get to the counts. Once the counts is done, then we can go on to checking the condition, sticking our labels on and packing it on our shelves, ready for you to come through. Once everything is out of the container, our team begins the real work, sorting the entire shipment piece by piece. Every part, from the biggest bumper to the smallest trim, gets grouped into its category. Bumpers together, fenders together, cradles, radiators, mouldings, bonnets, liners, splash trays, headlights, taillights, everything has its place. This isn't just for neatness, it's because our entire operation relies on an accurate, efficient count. Some items come in complete kits, but every single piece still needs to be removed from the box. Why? Because every individual part must be accounted for and labeled before it ever enters our system or reaches a customer. For complete bumpers and body kits, we do a full audit. We check that every bracket, grille, trim piece and sensor that's supposed to be there is there. Our stickers are printed in categories. So when the parts are grouped correctly, the process moves with speed and precision. Our stickers are printed before the stock arrives. So, as we label each piece, we're also confirming the order, making sure every item we paid for actually arrived in the container. Anything that doesn't meet our standard is set aside and never listed for sale, unless it's a fixable defect that allows us to offer the customer a reduced price. Every sticker tells a story. Part description, part number, bin location. That bin location corresponds directly to a physical shelf in our warehouse, and it also lives on our points of sale system.
Doing the count. How's that going?
Going good.
What's our deadline?
I've got headlights and taillights before lunch, and deadline is at 3. But we get there.
Let's push.
The moment a customer asks for a part, our sales team can instantly see how many we have what condition they're in, and exactly where they'll be stored. No running around, no guessing, just a streamlined, transparent workflow, powered by our two-way radio system and our VIN-based part matching. This is why the VIN number is crucial. It ensures the right part the first time. Once labeling is complete, every item is packed neatly into its assigned bin location. From there, our photographer steps in, taking high quality pictures for both our internal system and our website. This gives our sales team a visual reference when helping customers, and it gives you, the customer, the ability to go on our website, search by part number or category, and find exactly what you need before even picking up the phone. This is the behind the scenes system that makes Rennen Autoteile one of the most trusted names in premium BMW and Mercedes-Benz spares. Organized, transparent, and built around getting you the right part every single time.